song used to be a very serious, sad song to me. I wrote it about a band that I was in that was breaking up. Yeah, that band. Anyway, time went on and my heart healed. I met a wonderful girl. We had some children together, and this song now reminds me of my beautiful little baby Kelsey. She's 10 years old and she's a rainbow in my life. This song is a rainbow in